Welcome to Anjus universe. Today I am going to make baby corn Manchurian. So let's see what are the things we need for this. I have taken some baby corns which I have cut them into two like this, and then some salt according to taste, some red chili powder, that is colored red chili powder, so it won't be spicier, it will be like colorful Kashmiri red chili powder. And after that, that is the black pepper, and that is corn flour, so we need for Manchurian. And these are the sauce we need for that: some red chili sauce, some soya sauce, some green chili sauce, and this is garlic paste. So let's get started. I've taken a bowl. Meanwhile, I have put oil in a pan, so it will be heating. Till then, we'll mix all these ingredients. Here I have put 4 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoons of red chili powder, and some salt according to taste, and 1 teaspoons of this sauce. So I'm going to mix it like it should be coated on top of corns. Here I have mixed it well with hand, nicely washed my hand before mixing it. So here it's done, and oil is also nice and hot. I'm going to put one by one. I'm not going to put too much because it won't be crispy, it will be saggy. So I'll put 2 batches. One batch I have put, another batch I'll put again. Second batch I'm putting. Here you can see it's nice, crispy and golden in color. It's nice and crispy, so I'm going to take it out and I'm going to serve it just like this, dry. So here's how it's going to look. You can serve it on your own way. You can enjoy with as a starter dish or as a snack dish with tea, coffee, or evening snacks. So enjoy, do like and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you like, and keep watching for new videos. Till then, see you. Bye.